What's going on YouTube? It's me Austin here from Tristan Elephant Productions. I have an unboxing video here. For those of you that did not know, this tripod here that I've had for about a year, the thing ended up breaking off. The bullhead, or should I say the blockhead, ended up coming off, and there's no way for me to fix that. And I think the screw-on thing also came off as well. So this one, it's clearly no good. But I bought this with my credit card. This is a new, more high-quality tripod that is made from aluminum. Whereas with this old thing that obviously broke from years of abuse, it's made from some really cheap plastic material. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we have. So as you all can tell, it comes in a really nice carrying case. So we're going to go ahead and bring it out of the carrying case so you all can see what we're looking at here. Wow. So as you can tell, this one definitely seems to be much more higher quality. And as you can tell, it's covered in plastic, but that's okay. So as you all can tell, this is made from strong aluminum material. Now, for those of you that obviously know about this thing, this one also broke because I dropped it so many times. But the fact that the, what word am I trying to use? The blockhead, as I call it, ended up breaking off of the tripod itself. So it's no longer any good, and it's practically useless. But we definitely have something that is much more higher quality, and I would say a lot more easier to use. And the fact that it's made from strong aluminum. So this definitely will be able to withstand some impacts, as you all obviously know about. So while we're at it, I'm going to go ahead and extend it so you all can see what it looks like as I set it up here. Very easy to deploy, as you all obviously know. I have a feeling that this one definitely is going to last me. You also have the handle here where you can turn it around as you're moving the camcorder around, so you don't have to move the camcorder itself. And overall, I'm very impressed with the build quality. Now, the only thing that I am not too pleased about, these are still made from cheap looking plastic. So I don't know how long these supports here are going to last, but you get the idea. So I'm going to start using this tripod when I'm out there watching trains with my new camcorder. And obviously I got to be extra careful with this camcorder because it costed Anthony over $900 and I'm still agreeing to make payments on it. Anyways, there you go. So overall, this is a pretty impressive build here. Very impressed with the build quality. So then, let's go ahead and compare it to this tripod here, which is not good. Definitely a notable size difference. And then for those of you that remember this thing from many, many years ago that I've had for well over 7 years now, obviously the part for the leg is obviously missing, so this thing is not going to work anymore. So overall, I think this one is definitely going to work for me. It seems to be much more bulkier and seems to be much more higher quality. Anyway, so that concludes the unboxing of this Amazon Basics tripod. Before I get off, I want to go over the dimensions here. Didn't really come with any instructions, but this is the Amazon Basics lightweight tripod. This thing only costed me about $25, and I'm pretty impressed. With the amount of quality that it has, $25 is not that bad for something like this. So right now, the tripod stands roughly about 60 inches and 152 centimeters. As you all can tell there. So overall, the build quality definitely impressed me, I will say. Anyway, so that concludes the unboxing of the Amazon Basics 16-inch tripod. For those of you that want to buy this for yourself, I'll have a link in the description box down below. I am going to be going rail fitting sometime in March, so I definitely want to test this out. I've heard some great things about it on Amazon. Definitely seems to have good reviews from what I can tell. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing.